Hey, we have a number 29 today. So let's look at the preoperative image so that you can see the patient had a large existing amalgams, a big old MOD amalgam with a little moon crater in it, a fraction down there, and you can imagine chewing something hard and losing that lingual cusp there. We've seen it too many times. So patient elected to protect their tooth with a crown, and that is what we are going to do right now. So we begin by trimming models, getting rid of any junk data. Trim opposing. Good. Model axis, just getting the patient lined up on an articulator. And then taking that blue dot, putting it to the center of the tooth so we can draw our margin. It's a little bit of tooth debris down there. That'll wipe right away. Looks good. Insertion axis looks something like this. Spacer is 120 microns. Edit element pushes us into a proposal. So let's see what the computer thinks this is supposed to look like. Something like that. See what it did look like. Pretty close. Okay, let's start to design. So first thing I want to know is how much taller am I making her tooth? Definitely a little bit. I'm predicting I will probably have an excursive interference that I may have to remove, but we're going to figure that out later. Let's check our proximal contact here. It's just a little bit of tight with that yellow dot down there, so let's smooth that up. That looks better. Better. Cool. Almost done. Just need to check the excursive movements. So we're going to turn on this articulator. Gives us a new tool, functionally generated path. Allows us to see what happens when our patient's jaw is going to move left, right, forward, or back. Functionally generated path, and that's where we see the interference. So this tells a story as to why her old tooth had a flat part to it, right? It's like we can see how flat that cusp is. And then my proposal wanted to lengthen that. But if we make it taller and she functions, it's going to have an interference. We don't want that. So form remove. Let's get rid of it. That looks better. All right, the question is, can we give her more occlusion? Let's try. Check our excursive. Form remove. Okay, we got her a little bit more. Let's try here also. Check our excursive. Nope. Let's go back. Okay. So she's going to get a little bit more tooth than she had. You can see where ours is just a touch taller. And it's definitely going to be protected from fracturing. We're calling this a win.